It's Tuesday morning. We've got the rounds to do, so let's go find some cows. Hey ladies, how are we? So this is Titan's group. Titan is a pedigree blonde. It's his first season with us. He's hiding in the back there somewhere, but I have seen him. He's all right.
She's a troublemaker, this one.
Right, that's the first bunch checked. So, on to the second. Find the next bunch. So out here is Phoenix's group. So Phoenix is a pedigree black limousine. I think, the rain's coming in now. I think he is possibly 6 or 7 now. He's just down here. Hey Fiend. Hey girl. Phoebe. Oh, look at you. Hey big boy. Not a care in the world. He's a nice boy. I like Fiend. So there you have it. That's the two groups. I'll tell you what. I'll quickly strop in and see some Cheviets. That's a nice lamb. That's a female pedigree Cheviet. So there you have it. Everyone checked and everyone happy.